Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So signing into Prime Video is quick. You just need your Amazon account, and here is how to do it on any device. So first thing, open Prime Video. Okay, go to website like primevideo.com, or open the Prime Video app on your phone, tablet, or smart TV. Make sure you have the official app. Okay, after that you click on sign in. Okay, so this is the main or the home screen. Okay, so you just tap here, join Prime. Okay, so you just enter your mobile phone or email that you used. Okay, and yeah, you continue. So as I said, on homepage, click sign in, top right on web, or join Prime, or tap sign in the app. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so enter your Amazon account. So type your email or phone number, password, click then sign in, and this is the same account you use for Amazon shopping. Okay, so use OPT if required. Like sometimes Amazon will ask for a verification code, so send to email or phone. Enter the code to continue. Some extra, like, extra security step. Okay, so sign in on TV, like if you are using a smart TV or console, open Prime Video app, choose register on Prime website. You will see a code. Go to primevideo.com/mytv on your PC or phone, enter the code, and your TV will sign in automatically. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in the next tutorial.